All right, I'll explain everything after I've mixed. Set my timer for 6 minutes, equal parts A and B, medium viscosity. I'm going to get busy mixing. Okay, so I've mixed 6 minutes, and I'm going to explain real quickly what I've got here. This is a 13-inch mold, and I'll put a link to that below the video. And I'm going to do a bowl that I'm going to make it first as a resin tray and then mold it at about 4 hours using medium viscosity resin. That's about the right timing where you can touch it, it's not tacky, and you can form it before it's starting to really get hard. So just cleaning my mold out. I'm going to use GG glitter, mica, angel wings, and carnation, all counterculture. This is Backstage Fine. And I'm going to use Armor Art White and some white alcohol ink. And I'm going to do the floral thing. So I'm going to set aside an ounce or so of, don't even really need. We'll do an ounce of, about an ounce-ish of white. And a little bit less of the, for the mica carnation. So set those aside. Got my timer going. From the time you stop mixing, start your timer. I'm going to take the bronze glass bits. I want to get to about 25 to 30 minutes to use my white and carnation colors, because that is when it's really kind of at its perfect warming area of working with the resin. So this is called bronze, but to me it really feels and looks to me more like rose gold. So I'm kind of considering it a rose gold instead. I'm going to take some of this shimmery mica, it's carnation. Start with 1 scoop and see how that looks. So that looks really pretty. It's kind of a rose gold with a golden shimmer to it. It's just really, really pretty. This one we're going to do the Armor Art White. I'm going to take the angel wing, which has kind of a little bit of a golden interference to it. So it's not a straight white mica. As you can see, it definitely has a gold shimmer to it. So it's white, but it has a golden shimmer, which is really lovely. And then we're going to put some alcohol ink, about 6 drops. Set that aside, and we're going to use this Backstage. It's a precious metal, so it's got a lot of shimmer to it. We're going to use it in a minute. Put some GG glitter and probably less than an ounce of resin. I'm going to put that around near the bronze pieces. "18 minutes. Some of the glitter may start floating in, but I wanted to wait, you know, where it had had a little bit of time to sit, just so that it wouldn't float in as much. And it'll probably sink to the bottom, which will kind of be on top of the bronze glass bits. But that's okay. A little bit of glass and a little bit of glitter. Can never go wrong with that. Now I'm going to take the going to take the Backstage. Sometimes it gets, I've been sitting, but I'm going to stand up to look at this just to make sure that I kind of get it in the middle. So it kind of looks like glitter, but it's got a little bit more of a metallic feel to it. So I just want it to sink down. You could even put a few little, now I see it's kind of off center a bit. Put a few of those in the middle. You could even, you know, make it fan out a little bit if you wanted to. Nothing wrong with doing that. Just checking the warmth of my resin. Kind of feel like it's shifting, so I'm going to turn it. Let it shift that way a bit. Yeah, I can see it shifting. Trying to scoot some of that stuff in the center. But, oh well. Okay. Okay, it's at 34 minutes and I'm going to cover it and pray that it doesn't shift anymore. Come back in 4 hours. Pretty, pretty. That side's pretty too. I'll be back tomorrow to unmold. Just feel like it wants to go that way, so packing it in. Can't wait to see it. I think it's pretty. Yay! See you tomorrow. Okay, so the little silver stuff is kind of off center. I put a little too much in it. Sometimes the less is better. And it shifted because I didn't have my thing perfectly flat, but it's still very pretty. And that pretty carnation. I don't know if you can see, it's got a gold, a little bit of a gold shimmer, and then the white. I used the angel wing, and that angel wing has an interference that's kind of a golden tone. It's very pretty. And the bronze, this is bronze, but to me it has that pink cast that goes with carnation. Now if you put it with browns, it would probably pick up the brown tones as well. And I like that the glitter added to it, just gives it a little extra sparkle. And there's the underside. So you can see some of the glitter you know, kind of shifted in, which is fine. So there's that bowl. And these were just some other coasters that I put the resin top coat on. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and make sure to check out all the links below. I'll post all the links of everything I used below the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.